Welcome back, everybody. Day 4 on the cruise, and we port in Florida, and we go on a platoon ride where we do see some dolphins, which was super awesome. Later on in the evening, we attend Chef's Table, which was so well worth it because the food was delicious and the service was amazing.
This is what, day 4 now?
Yeah.
We are in Florida, and we just got off the boat. We are waiting for everyone else to come back outside. Time is now about 11:15. We're going to be going on a pontoon ride. We're going to have to wait, but for you, it's going to be an instant.
Later, we headed to Chef's Table for dinner, and that basically is a private room with a few other guests, a few other couples. Normally, there are more couples, but because it was still a little after the pandemic, there were just 2 other couples. But you are served delicious courses of food, and it was just an amazing time, and we definitely recommend it.
Making of the lobster, what I do is I take the lobster, I gut it out, I remove the black ones, very good, salt, pepper, add to it, put it in a film wrap and poach it in a pot bouillon. Enjoy.
Thank you.
One ounce of Bacardi at rum. And 1 ounce of caramel syrup.
You do know you have to send a copy of that to all of us since you're videotaping.
Yes.
And 1 ounce of chili espresso.
Now she wants one without espresso.
No problem.
She's not a coffee person.
Then the 0.5, the milk, 0.5.
Yep, that's what makes it healthy.
Yeah. The espresso makes you wide awake, so there's nothing worse than a wide awake drunk.
Yeah, I mean, that's what they tell you.
So you get drunk and you're tired,
Yeah.
and you're happy, so you can't go to sleep.
That's like taking a Red Bull with alcohol. You do.
Then we add
His
ice.
name I don't remember.
Then
Daniel.
yes, sir.
And Mary, the
Roseanne.
Close.
Roseanne.
Close.
Well, I was Southern. I knew it was a double name.
Then we shake 10 to 12 heart shake.
Yeah, shake, shake, shake.
So they tell you. Oh, you have to do the butt shake too while you're doing it. So what? Let them go to sleep.
Then we
It's best they're
take the
asleep.
chill martini glass. Then we strain to the martini glass.
And you pass out the whole thing to each person, right?
Nice.
That's freshly made. Right?
Woo.
Then the last on the top for the garnish, we put some coffee beans.
Coffee
I used
beans.
to tell the kids at school if they didn't miss a day, they never came in late a day, they never left early a day.
Okay, that's your salted caramel espresso martini.
First or
Yeah.
last night.
Ah, smell of
Oh,
coffee
that
is
is
so
so
good.
Inside peanut butter creme brulee.
Yes.
And I'm going to put a hot caramel sauce on top of it. It goes like this.
Alright.
Oh, there it is. Let's bring it apart.
Mine fell apart.
Oh. Uh-oh. Kev.
Uh-huh.
She needs a new one. Uh-oh.
Is yours falling apart?
We're gonna be going on a pontoon ride. So basically get on a boat, take some clickety-clickities, and yeah, see what's out there. Hello.
Oh, sorry, I'm just recording.
Hi. Welcome to my vlog.
And then a hero comes along with the strength to carry on, and you cast your fears aside, and you know you can't survive. So when you feel like hope is gone, look inside you and be strong, and you'll finally see the truth that a hero lies in you.
I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time.